This is a review of my Browning folding knife. Got this knife this summer, so about 7 months ago. It's got the liner lock design, which I like a lot. Blade's around 3 inches, maybe a little under. Got the belt clip, the wood handle, aluminum handle. This might be aluminum, I don't know what this is. Steel blade with a black covering to prevent against corrosion. Got the Browning emblem there. Overall, I like this knife. I haven't carried it a lot or used it a lot because I usually carry my buck knife, which I have a review on if you want to go check that out on my channel. It's got the handle I like, but it's got the grooves for fingers. I've got really big hands, so having the handle where you can put your fingers in there helps a lot. I like that. Makes for a good grip. Got the dual thumb stud. Opens nicely. Because I haven't used it a lot for anything, I don't know how it holds an edge. I know the pocket clip is a little bit loose. I haven't had an Allen wrench and tightened it up yet though. But overall it seems like a nice knife. Browning makes really nice knives. I think this is about $30 at Dick's Sporting Goods. I got it as a gift. Thanks for watching.